Hello everyone. Thank you so much for being a part of today's live session. As always, yes, we are online. Uh, so I will, sorry, there's some dirt on my screen. Let me just clean that thing for you. Okay, seems better. All right. So what's going on? Before we talk what's going on in the market, let's talk about um, the basic rule of this live session. This live session is just for information and entertainment purposes. Moreover, I come live on every day, every weekdays. So that's the way we are. I used to perform live trades in front of you guys, and you guys have a better. My previous followers does know me very well that I perform live trade on. Okay. So what happened yesterday? I was in three trades I performed yesterday. Total trades I just mm, wait. I placed a total three trades yesterday. Sorry, total five trades yesterday, and all of them went very well. All of them were closed, hit my TP, and thank God I just got a small amount of profit. I made just over $200 yesterday. Not even the 1% of my portfolio, but still better than nothing. Uh, if you are not losing anything and not winning anything, still you are in luck. So yeah. So on the other hand, let me just charge my laptop. I was just away today. I would not be able to charge my laptop, my system today. And let me just set up my screen. Okay, my screen is set up right now. Okay, thank you so much for Stanward. Um, okay, so what's going on? Before we start our live session, I would love to mention you guys this live session is just for information and entertainment purposes. Don't follow my trades. Moreover, I will perform few live trades in front of you guys. Yesterday's trades, all of my trades went very well, and we have made a very good profit yesterday. And you guys are the witness of that as well. Moreover, I will share you my screen just in a minute. So before I share my screen and start uh, sharing my screen, let me just check another thing for you guys. Um, Okay, so one more thing. There's a link in bio. You can just click on the link, and that's the way you can join my WhatsApp channel, my YouTube, my TikTok. Moreover, there is a link of Elbing Exchange. You can just click on the link. While clicking on the link, you will be able to register using my referral. That's the way you can get a very good discount, which I'm just going to share you in a few minutes. So it's a good opportunity. You guys can avail that opportunity. And so what's before we start performing live trade, let me share you today's BTC. BTC got 2.2% pump today as compared to yesterday. So it went to like current price is 97,000 somewhere around there, which is like it's a good bump. That's where we were expecting last week, and I just mentioned you guys by the end of last week. Okay, if BTC closes this week above 90,000, then the next stop would be somewhere around 100K, which is now seems like which is achievable. And market cap is also increasing day by day. So today, a market cap was $3.3 trillion. That means market is gaining momentum, bullish momentum, which is a good sign. Uh, now it depends upon us. Like we are doing scalping every day, and scalpers just need uh, the momentum, whether it's bullish, whether it's bearish. We can open the long positions, we can open the short positions. That depends upon us. Moreover, thank you so much for being a part of live session. Thank you, Willard. Thank you, Domino, for joining the live session. You guys can join me on for the better view. There is a link of my YouTube in the link in description as well, so you guys can see me on uh, YouTube as well. Moreover, what's going on in the market? Yeah. So let's not forget to talk about the fair index. So what is the fair index today? Fair index is of course it's increasing. Market is just getting some momentum and gaining some trust. And let me tell you the fair index of the market. Okay, so it's 54. It's more towards greed. So it's a good sign. It's kind of neutral, but improving. It must be like more than the previous 2 months. So it's a good sign. It's a good sign. It's just moving upward. Um, so that's the clear-cut sign of the bullish momentum. And but anything can be happen because crypto market is like very volatile market, and you guys know already. Um, so yeah, thank you so much for Jakir for joining. Thank you Health Science for joining. Thank you Suchbird joining. Thank you Killer FNN joining. Um, okay. So before I share, okay. Okay, let me show you my screen. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your likes. Health Science and 20 and Penta 29698. Okay. Uh, okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip my camera. I will show you the screen of my system so we can just okay. Um, so what we did yesterday, we just opened I think yeah, we opened one short position yesterday and open three. Let me show you. Yeah, so that's the profit was 100% of course. All trade went very well. Of course, that's my live account. I cannot manipulate that thing. So you guys don't need to worry about that. So this is the thing you guys can see. Only this one trade went wrong day before yesterday. On 30th of that, but well, that was the thing. I just put my stop loss at there, so it went just wrong. And more of that now. Still, I'm in a good shape. My success ratio, if let's say it should be more than like 95% now. If I have done okay, we will discuss this later on. Uh, um, okay. Thank you so much for XRP for joining. Thank you IG joining. Uh, for live session. Okay, so what we are gonna do is we are just going to see few of our favorite coins. So Aster was a coin we were just having a look. Today I will show you guys. I will try to find the liquidity in the market on the 1 hour time frame, and I will show you guys how to find the liquidity. Thank you. Hello, brother. How are you doing? Good. You were not available yesterday. I was missing you. Okay, well, now you are here. So that's the 1 hour time frame. And yes, let's talk about few other pairs as well. Thank you, Shafi, brother, joining. Thank you, Don Lon, joining, and Zeus H Truth. So this is the pair I just want to take the position right now. But how to find the liquidity in that market in that moment? That's the 1 hour time frame, and it does look like that's the 1 hour candle. And for now, it seems like uh, these two candles, you see these wicks, and there is a wick down on the downside as well. So there are good chances. See the momentum. That's the bullish momentum in the 1 hour time frame. RSI is also in. Oh, get well soon, brother. I hope you are fine. You're not in a bad shape. Get well soon. All the best for your health. Moreover, so you might not be doing trading yesterday. Okay. Uh, okay, so that's the 15-minute time frame. In 15-minute time frame, if you see the RSI not in favor of opening the long position, but I really want to open the long position in this one. Oh yeah, okay, okay, good. If your health, there is nothing more important than the health. So health is the top priority. If you're healthy, then of course you will feel good, of course. And is there a kind of dirt on my screen? Yeah, sorry. Let me just. Oh, where is my? All right, I think it looks better now. There is a little bit dirt on my screen, but I don't have to. It's outside. Okay. I think seems fine. All right. So that's a five minutes time frame. What I need is I need this one to come to. I want to open a long position, but what would be what would be the sign? Let's draw a resistance. So it's the clear-cut resistance is here. So we can see there's a resistance somewhere around here on the 1 hour time frame. If you do a little bit back test, so yeah, that's the right position of the resistance, but there is not big volume in this momentum right now. So what do you think? 1 hour time frame, it's quite like not sure. These movements, we can grab a short position in these kind of movements like this. This is 1 minute candle. Let's make it 5 minute. Okay, so that's the 5 minute candle. That's why I was just talking before I was just about to start my session. I just mentioned this one. This coin is has a potential to go up because it's getting rejection at 0.10117. Even I talked about this one yesterday as well. So I think yeah, that was the right uh thing to. All right, no problem. Let's see where does it goes. What we need to do is we just don't want to do a little bit hurry. We just need to wait and just relax and see if the market gives us the opportunity to get the position. Mhm. Okay. Meanwhile, let's see another pair. Edge is has a potential. You see, it's just moving up. It's just moving up. It's just trying to cross this resistance, which it's what it did it actually. You see, that's the resistance price. It just crossed. Let's go. Yeah. Thank you, Rita, for joining. It's an honor for me. Okay, so let's see the 1 hour time frame. The 1 hour time frame is in the favor. If we open a short position, there are good chances. And if we see the 1 day time frame, uh, on the broader aspect, if we see this, uh, this will go up, but these kind of candles, you see that there is a very big volatility in this coin. I think we can take a chance to open a short position, but that could be harmful a little bit for now. Um, Not sure. Thank you, John Jojo, for joining and following my channel. It's a great honor for me. Uh, okay, so what do you think? The potential moment of this one seems like. So this is the 1 minute. No, let's talk about 5 minutes time frame. The 5 minute time frame, if we follow the RSI, let's see what does this indicator tells us. So let me share things screen. Actually, sorry guys, actually my system is just on charging, so actually my other part is not working. I don't know what just happened. So at once I can just charge my system, or on the other hand, I can show you my others on the bigger screen. So sorry, just wait a little. So maybe it will take maybe 20-30 minutes to charge my system. So I can show you on the bigger screen. All right. Okay, so what is the coin we're talking about? We are talking about, as this was our favorite coin all of like for the month even. That's the coin of the month, I must say. And is my YouTube channel going live? It's live. Okay, it's live. Yeah. So if we see this indicator, there is a weak high because of the potential movement. So if there is a break of structure going to be like on the downside, so then we can take the short position, but not right now. Uh, what we need to do is we need to understand where is the liquidity. That can be seen on the bigger time frame very clearly. So this one just grabbed a little bit liquidity from here and went down on the 15-minute time frame. Let's talk about 1 hour time frame. You guys can see. So it just grabbed the liquidity from here, and but I think we need to wait maybe 10 minutes. And the next hour we can just there are 10 minutes left completing this hour. So what we need to do is we need to, I think we should wait at for now. Um, okay, so sure, brother. Let me tell you how can we see. On the bigger time frame, there are clear indications. What I have learned from my experience, and moreover from like there are multiple tutors online. Uh, what I have learned from my experience is these kind of candles, like this is the liquidity. Let me draw you a line up here. And this is the wick, you see this wick. This wick was the chance, and on the 1 hour time frame it shows a better result. And even I just want you guys to wait and see if this one just grabbing the liquidity, but that will be that's where we can decide, okay, that was the liquidity. If we see this candle, this green candle, there is a very small wick on top of that, but on the next candle it went up and the candle closes down. So this was the liquidity. We could have opened the short position in this candle. Uh, Let me just show you some brief movement. There's if I can show you on the better way. But it's not. I must say that that's not always. But it's one way you can just try to figure out. Okay, these are the candles. These could be the fake wicks, and see in this candle. Okay, this was the big candle. The market was falling down, and this empty wick is showing. Okay, that could be the fake order block, and there would be not actually no order block, and this candle would not have been like filled some orders at this mark. And if you see, let me show you, let me draw you a line here. You see these two candles. This candle was a red candle, and the next candle fall down and went back to green. When the this candle was in the red, we should not open the long or even short position in this candle, because the next candle was not against. When it came to green, then there is a sign we can open the long position from here, and we could have take the profit. So this uh yeah, sure. I think there are good chances for this one to go up. So, okay, on later on, I will show you more details about this one. So, if if the 1 hour, next 1 hour candle is in green, so maybe we are not going to open any position. If the next candle is going to open in a red form, and went back to little bit green, then still we will wait like maybe 10 to 15 minutes. So that's the way I just figured it out, and which I think is it's working fine now. Even I just opened like 5 positions yesterday and all went very well. Let me show you guys. That's my live account, and oh, just so that's the position is still stuck, still not even 2% of my portfolio. But let me show you the history. Okay. Okay, so that's these are the 5 positions I had just opened yesterday. One, two, three, four. I opened this order, but I just canceled it. There's nothing in there. Four, five, and this was the fifth order. So these 5 positions I opened yesterday, and all of them went very well. So I have just grabbed a small. This was the previous day on 13th of this month. So yeah, so it does. This does look like we just try to understand where is the liquidity, but on the higher time frame it shows a good sign. You can just get a good understanding. Um, so yeah, so that's the way I try to find the liquidity. If we talk about this candle, this is a red candle went red. The next was in the red, but not the big candle. There was not big body, there was not big movement. But there was that was a risk. It could fall down just like this. This was just falling down and just went back up. So there are good chances for this one to go up. The volume. mm, Let me check another thing. Okay. Uh, Thank you so much, Hassan brother, for joining me and being a part of my community. Okay, and what's going on here is but on the other hand, that's for the swing trade and for intraday trade. What we do is actually we just see the 5 minutes time frame and the 1 minute time frame and try to do scalping on the smaller time frames, which is quite risky, but we have made a good profit. And edge has the if one other thing, the potential sorry the momentum of the coin also does matters. So these empty wicks are the clear sign. That's a 1 minute time frame. Let's talk about 5 minute time frame. On the 5 minutes time frame, if you see these empty wicks, these are the sign that there is a rejection at this mark, somewhere to 200, somewhere around 200. So it's just getting rejection in every candle. So, and if it tries to fill that order block, then it will go way more up because the potential, the momentum of this coin is bullish. So yeah, why we have just got one message that the guy is just telling that it will go up. So yes, what's the name of? Hmm, Abdullah's. Yeah. So yeah, we understand like there are chances for this one to go up, but but these rejections are the indication we can just get the indication. Okay, maybe that will fall down, but here we cannot decide where does it goes because it's already on the higher side of its price of last few days. So we are not going to take any trade. I think we should not take the trade in this for now. Let's leave this one for now and talk about ARKN. Okay. See the moment. That's the 1 minute, 5 minutes time frame. Momentum is shifting, like it's just making the higher lows and higher highs and trying to higher low and mm, I think we should wait maybe. So that's the 5 minute time frame. Uh, if let me draw you another thing. Where is that? Here it is. This one. Not sorry. Is it? Mhm. Okay, here it is. If we see, uh, what just happened? Continuous. I think that's on better. We can check on the TradingView main platform. So it's not giving me that opportunity. Okay. So what we need to do is we need to just understand, okay, thank you whales, three whales, for following my channel. Um, Thank you, Tamim Ahmed Zaz Ahmed for being a part of life. I am Farooq Durrani. Thank you. I Farooq Durrani. Thank you. Sanjeer C. Thank you. Thank you, TSX, for joining again. In fact, again, yeah. Okay, so that's the moment. Actually, there is not a big, not much volume in this one for now, but what we need to do is we need to just check the 5 minutes time frame. Okay, see the potential, the momentum is shifting from here. So we can open the long position, but if this one is just making the higher highs, yeah, higher lows, still low. Let me just draw it. Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, I think this one. Yeah, this one path. Okay, let me, let's to change. Okay, so market went down to here, then just try to recover and making it bullish and making a lower uh high, then made a higher high, then made a lower high, then again market went up to this price. And maybe there are chances for this one to go a little bit more up, but that's just we can assume. But it's not like always it's gonna happen. There are but good chances because it's making the higher lows are already. What we are going to understand from here is like, oh, we can open the long position, but if we consider this candle, this lower high, but we can open the long position if the market goes. Let's talk about the 1 hour time frame. I think we should talk about 1 hour time frame as well. And on the 1 hour time frame, if we see this, potentially, yeah. Maybe if we get stuck in this trade, then there would not be a good sign for us. But I think we should take the risk in this one as well. What do you think? Um, RSI. Okay, what we can do is we can just wait for the RSI to come down to our minimum benchmark, which is 20 for the short period of time, and then we can open the long position. Then we can take it, at least we can take the risk. We can take the chance from here. I will show you this on the bigger screen as well, but just a little bit time. I just need a little bit time to charge my system. That's the one. That's the lower high if we consider out one high, but let it just cross this one. Uh, for opening the long position, Farooq Durrani brother, I was stuck even yesterday in one trade, but thank God. All of my trades went well yesterday. 100% success yesterday. I just opened five positions yesterday, so it went well. I don't actually there is not big movement for thank you for following as well. So what do you suggest? Like what's your understanding about this? But if it's not getting the rejection from here, then we should need to wait at least. Uh, and if it's just falling down from here, I think then yeah, for yeah, let me show you the 4 hour time frame. That's the 4 hour time frame. Even it's not like potential. If we see the 4 hour potential, what do you suggest for this one? Uh, I don't know. Going short from here, if we see there's a rejection at this price. But yeah, opening short from here, yeah, you're right. Not from here. If we see the 1 hour time frame, mm, okay. Yeah, I think this is not the right time to open any position. I think if at least we see RSI, even still RSI is not in favor. So I think we should wait maybe. Mhm. And if we see this indicator, where is it? Uh, it's not showing. Don't look at it. Okay. So sorry. If we see SMC on the 1 hour time frame, there's a weak high. So weak high is the indication that the price can go up, but maybe it will take a little bit more time. RSA at bigger time frame is right now it's 50. RSI 5. I have set the value for 5, but for the bigger time frame it should be like 14. But I just set that to 5 for actually I just trade on the short term time frame, so maybe 15 to 5 minutes. Uh, let's change the settings. Set it to 14. Seems 12 would be better, I think, for better. I set the value to 12 and it shows like RSI is 47 now on the 1 hour time frame. And if we see 4 hour time frame, I think it's already on 51. So it's just hovering around of middle of nowhere. So maybe, but if we see, sorry, if we see time frame of 5 minutes and the RSI, there's a break of structure here. Hmm. Break of structure was there already, and let's talk about 15 minute as well. If we see the 15 minute time, yeah, still it's not clear yet. I think we should wait, maybe. But for the lower time frames, I think RSI value should be around 5. So 5 can give you a good understanding. 65. We can take a chance to open a short position, but not from here. Maybe a little bit more up to at least this point. Hmm. I think let's see. Meanwhile, let's see another pair. This one, the other one, which we were just having a look already. Uh, H. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is just breaking that momentum. Yeah, not momentum, but moving, going according to momentum. Yeah, it's just yeah. See that it's just getting a rejection from this price. So there's a mark. There's a resistance out here, and that could be that the movement, like it can fall down, it can change the momentum as well, but if the order blocks are filling up, then it can go up for sure. That's the 5 minutes time frame. Yeah, it seems like it's going up. Yeah. So 1 minute is like very. So right now we are not, if we see RSI is 81, so if we follow the RSI, it's just giving us an indication we can open short position from here, but yeah, not recommended from here at least. Mm, for H, yes, let's see the 15-minute time frame. Week high, week high, week high. 5 minutes time frame is showing also week high. So yesterday we just took like 5 trades. I think two of them one of the trade we took against this indicator, and one of the trade we just took according to this indicator, and both went wrong, and it took like 2 hours to recover from those trades. So yeah, uh, thank you, Raju Traveler Brother, for following me. Thank you. Okay, so yes, if we follow the RSI on the 5 minutes time frame, I think it's not clear. I think we should wait for the right time. But if it's getting rejection from here, but do a little bit back test, see it just happened there and just went down and just pulled back up. Momentum is bullish for sure. You can see there is a bullish momentum right now. But now here we have to decide like what we need to do from here. So yes. What can we do? What can we do from here? Hmm, let's see the 5 minutes candle. It's showing. On the 5 minute, we okay. Let's decide. If the 5 minute candle goes above 80.85, then I will open the short position in this one, and not opening the long because it's already moving up a little bit. So momentum is already bullish. So that's the way we can just take a risk, but but still we need at least one confirmation, which is RSI. So if RSI is above like 80.85, so then I will open the short position in this one. So let's see if it gives us an opportunity. And this is 1 minute. Okay, let's change. Let me just change. I hope you guys can see my screen. Okay, I think we are not getting it right now. Yeah, see, that's what I was just talking about. We were just okay, let's put the order block. Let's put a limit order maybe from 120. So today's high was 10.0128 and the lowest is 0.0113, which is very lowest. So it's now just moving just in the midway. So 120, I think limit order should be from 1205 would be okay. So I have just opened the position limit order from here because the momentum is shifting from bearish to bullish. So here we need to decide what we need to do. But that's if we consider just the lower, that was a high, that was low. Mm, yeah, there are chances, but we need to wait, I think. On the other hand, we can put the order. Okay, let's go. I have just limit the order and we can decide on the other pair as well. If during the session we just can grab even one position, so that would be great for today. I am not opening any position. I have not made any position today. So, okay, so yeah, we can open the short position in HUSDT. But what I need to do, what I want to see is if it crosses. You see, if we follow the indicator, but this one is showing there is a weak, weak high, which is like it's getting rejection from this point. Trying to fill the order blocks from here. Opening, okay, let's open it with $200, not taking the risk on the bigger capital because I have already a very big capital right now. So let's take a chance from 201, I think is good. Good. So I'm just going to limit the order from 201, which is a risk, I think. Thank you so much for giving me the heart, brother. Raju Traveler, brother, thank you. Okay. So we can take, it's like very, uh, five, yeah, opening short, huh? I'm just going to take the risk following by the RSI because RSI is in my favor, but let's see. So we are in position right now. What we need to do is we just need to grab a small profit and oh, it's still not small profit. Just a little move can give you a good profit. Okay, let's keep it. Mm, I think $70 would be okay if the price comes to that mark. What I will do is, what I have done is like I have just opened less than 1% of my capital, this trade. But what I will do is if thing goes wrong and the position goes at least minus 70 to 80% in between that, then I will do with 1% of my capital DCA. So, and if things goes wrong, then I will close the position with minus 2% of my capital. That's what my strategy is, what I'm following from last 1 year, more than last 1 year. So that's the strategy. I have made a good profit and increasing my capital day by day. So that's what we need. Mhm. Okay. On the other hand, what can we do is we can just set this stop loss just near to my break even. But the price is just moving, hovering around to that, but we cannot just decide to put the stop loss right now. So what we need to do is we can just wait. I just thank you, Smile, for following my channel. New futures. No, it's future, brother. It's futures trading, taking the leverage from the market. So in this trade, I have took 25% of the the leverage, which is not recommended. Be very careful. It's a high risk thing. Uh, so futures is just making the future, and sometimes it it gets stuck, but most of the time, most of my trades just goes like on the right direction. And okay, on the other hand, we are in this position right now. It's going a little bit up. We can just wait. On the other hand, we have just opened the limit order on this one. No. What was the momentum of this one? Okay, bullish, 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 of course, bullish. I am not in the favor of opening the short positions, but okay, that was a chance I just took. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a limit order on this one as well at 2125. 2130 is okay, I think. Using just $100, not more than that, I think. $120. Oh, it's just near to that. I just wanted to grab the position actually. And because normally what would you suggest? Brother, what I suggest is just if you are new to crypto and if you are not having the big capital, you should use like 5 to 10x leverage because what you want to do is what you should do is you should just compound your capital day by day, and that's the way. Just try to open if you are using, let's say, let's say 1% more. Even I know like most people just start trading by at least from $100. So if you're using $100, okay, you can use 5% of your capital to open a position, but use less leverages as much as you can, because if you're new, then of course it's a greed in the market. We try to, okay, let's open it with 50% of your capital. That's what I did. Like first 2 years was and I was making good profit, and I was losing everything like in the very next sometimes in very next candles, or sometimes in very next day. So try, if you're new, try 5 to 10x leverage. Yes, if you understand the market and you have a good experience, then I think you can take like 20x, 25x, but still not recommended. So that's what I do actually. On the other hand, what I do is I just open the position with maximum 1% of my capital, because now I have grown up my capital in a very big shape. So what I do is I just open it maximum with 1% of my capital. Sometimes I take like small. So now if you can just judge like how much capital I do have. And this is my live account. I will not show you, but this trade I just open it like $120. I just limit this order. This is not even the 1% of my capital, so you can just understand. Not even the 5%, 0.5% of my capital. So you can just steadily increase your capital compound by compounding. And what my on the other hand, what my strategy is, I can just close my trade if my trade goes wrong. I do TCA with one and another 1%, and if everything goes wrong, then I can close my trade with negative 2% of my capital. That's my risk to reward ratio. But I have encountered like maybe three, four, five, maybe 6 times, not more than that. So since last 1 year. So things are in my control now. So it's in your control how you drive it. So yeah, that's it is what it is. Bitcoin just moved above like 98,000, so which is like very good sign for the bullish market, but it got liquidated short positions more than 600 million. Wow, yesterday, and still just grabbing more positions. If it will go more up, then it will grab more liquidations. There are good chances for BTC to touch at least 100K mark, maybe in near future, maybe maybe today, maybe yesterday, maybe tomorrow. Sorry, but so what we have got. Okay, we have opened another position now. Okay, H is in H is moving up and truth is moving down. Okay, so what let's keep it continue till the end of the session and I will show you that how much I made in both of these trades. You can follow my WhatsApp channel. Sometimes my trade takes a little bit more time, so I just share the results of the trade in my WhatsApp channel as well. So you can click on the bio. So there is a link. You can just follow my WhatsApp channel as well. So there I'm just going to share few signals from Monday, hopefully. So now I will just try to give confirm signals, like 2, 3 signals every day, maybe not more than that. Okay, so yes, this trade is on the move, but okay, see this big candle. These are the candles actually can give you sometime good profit. So truth was just doing this from past few days, and I'm just gaining good profit every day in this pair actually. And $30 are achievable. Yes, that was the big candle I was in need of actually. This was the candle. So I just grabbed this. I just set my position limit order at the right mark, but it can go a little bit more down, but it's just getting a rejection from here. I can set my stop loss to my break even as well if something goes wrong. So still I will be in a safe zone, but I just don't want this to hit my stop loss. So I think let's keep it continue maybe for a little bit more time. So you guys will witness if I can make some profit today on this live session. So yes, okay, 74% battery is enough. I think we should shift this to my big screen. Just let me show you this on bigger screen as well. Okay, so here you go, guys. Okay, I hope you can see it in the better way now. Okay, so it's moving up. It's the 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame. I love it because it shows the good momentum. It shows the good movement. So I just love to see the movement and it feels good. So, but it's like funny thing. Or you need to just be professional while. So fear index is just moving to 54, which is a good sign for the long positions. Of course, you can open it. And on the other hand, okay. Uh, what we can do is we can just put the stop loss here. What do you suggest? Like, what do you think we should put my stop loss and keep myself in safe zone, or if I put my stop loss at my break even, it will hit for sure. But on the other hand, momentum can be shifted from here as well. So, what do you think? Let's wait and let's see the fun part. H is moving on the wrong side, of course. That was expected. And okay. I just took the position following the momentum, but anything can be happen. If we see the 5 minutes time frame, I guess it's in favor. It's still in favor. I think I should remove my TP and just keep it continue for the longer period of time as well. Let's see the 15-minute time frame, and if I move my stop loss here, take TP somewhere around here so I can make $90 in this trade, but maybe it will take a little bit more time. Oh, but which is very good and achievable. But I just want to keep this trade. I just want to close this trade during the session. So where is it going on? Okay, this one is just hovering around to that position. So my limit order should be somewhere around, I think. Here is good. I have just failed it is interest maximum exceeding. Okay. Okay. Cancel. Can we not confirm? Huh? Okay, I think we can move it on the upside, but huh? Exceeding. Okay. It's potentially, if we see this, uh, lower highs, lower than the previous one. I don't know, I think. Actually, mostly I use 5 minutes time frame for scalping and use the value of RSI to 5. So on the 1 minute time frame, it's just a funny thing to see. But if we see that's the 5 minutes time frame, and let's talk about 15-minute time frame, it's still showing. Um, so what do you suggest? What do you think? And that's the 1 hour time frame. And that's the 1 day time frame. On the 1 day time frame, if you see, the value for RSI is also like that's 1 hour. That's 1 hour, and that's 15 minute. Uh, okay, I just set up my limit order to this price. I think maybe there are chances, but it just moved just one or two ticks, just one tick actually away from here. Okay, let's see. On the other hand, the trade of truth is, but I just want to close that one. That's achievable, but maybe take a little bit time. But I think we should move my TP to this price, maybe. It's totally, we are just doing, we are taking the risk actually in both of these trades. So, yes. All right. So what we made yesterday, I closed my all of my five trades in positive and just made, I think, just more than $200, which is okay. Not even the 1%, but okay, good enough to increase the capital very slowly and steadily and in the small amount every day. So guys, you can just follow me my TikTok, my WhatsApp channel as well. There's a link in bio, and I'm using this exchange as well, which is like very good exchange, and it's connected with trading views, so it gives you a good control. So previously I was using the other one, but this this one is better for me, and I'm using it more than since from more than 1 year. So there is a referral link of this uh, link, or this exchange is also in my link in that link. So you can just register by clicking on that link as well. So what will I on my WhatsApp channel I share every day's profit, and so far so good. Everything I have just shared, even the losses as well. If I get a loss in a trade, I will share that one as well. But I just started my live sessions since like from 1 month, almost 1.5 month. So yeah, there is nothing big I have lost. Just one trade is stuck from few days, which is not even the 2% of my capital, which is my actually discipline. If it goes wrong to 2% of my capital, then I would close it manually, or I can just set my stop loss to my 2% of my capital. Okay, so see, this is the indication maybe the momentum is shifting, but that's a 1 minute, but we cannot decide it yet. What we need to do is we can wait, we can see, and maybe. Uh, Thank you, Singa brother, for following me. And I'm living in Thailand. Basically, I'm from Pakistan, but I'm living in Thailand from since last for more than 4 years now. And this is the exchange I am using right now, L Bank. From last more than 1 year. Before that, I was using Binance. Binance is okay, it's good, but this one is just giving me more control of and more like it's connected with TradingView as well, so it's easy to draw the lines and understand the situation and put more indicators. So that's easy to use actually. So if you want to join this exchange, you can just register by clicking on the link I have mentioned in description as well. So you can register yourself on this trade as well. This exchange as well. So yeah, that's all. Okay. I think in Australia this exchange works well actually. You can just give it a try. The link is in bio. You can just click on the link and you will be directed to a link tree, and there are like 5 links, 4 links of mine, one of this trade, this exchange. So you can just click on that and register yourself and just give it a try if you can do that. I think there are like 2, 3 guys from Australia. They're just doing trade on that. They're following me as well. So I think it works well there. You can just give it a try. I will ask them as well. Uh, TikTok, yeah, this is the platform, L Bank. So I have just mentioned the link of this exchange in my bio as well. So you can just click on that. So you will be directed to register yourself with this exchange. And it's a good platform. I'm using it more since more than like 1 year now. So I'm happy with that actually. It's safe. It's I'm trading like mostly meme coins, and I'm trading futures actually. not spot. So I'm trading futures with using like leverage from the market, and yeah, that's what I do. I'm trading futures more than since last 3 years now. First 2 years were very painful, losing everything, but now, thank God, I'm in profit since last. What are those? Crypto futures? If you are not, if you don't know about it, let me tell you what is it. Do you have the idea of stocks or spot or Bitcoin? I think you should have. Yeah, it's a cryptocurrency, of course. So, can you elaborate your question? So, what are those like? It's cryptocurrency and meme coins means other than the big coins like BTC, Litecoin, Ethereum. Those are the main coin, but there are thousands of other coins which are listed on different exchanges. So those are small coins but can give you a good profit, which I'm trading since last 3 years and making good profit instead of I'm just trading BTC or Ethereum or Litecoin or Dash or Bitcoin actually. So these are the me coins actually I'm trading and thank God I'm making good profit. Most like I trade multiple coins. For now, this one is the Truth USDT on futures, and I have set like three, four, five in my favorites. But you can just check. These are the small coins: ARKM, ASTER, and Zeus. Zeus is already on the lower side of its price. Don't trade that. It's very risky. I am stuck in this one. This is HUSDT. It's a good coin for the long investment, but not now. Truth. This is the coin I am trading right now. What I do is I'm doing a short-term scalping. So just try to close my trades every day. Open a trade, close it in few minutes, maybe sometime, or maybe it can take like 2, 3, 4 hours, or maybe it can take me more than 1 or 2 days sometime. So that's what I do. And just close my trade and just stay away from the market. So I multiple like coins. Okay. Hmm. Uh, all right. I have been trading futures since more than last 3 years, but in crypto, I am in from like 2017 when BTC was at $8,000. So I bought two BTC at $8,000 in 2017. Yeah, and it went to $3,000. So all of my capital just shows me like it's very few $100. So then it gained back in 2020. Yeah, 2020, 2021. Then I just gained it back. But that was my spot buying, not futures. I am doing futures since last more than 3 years now. And profitable from last one more than 1 year now. So that's why I'm just starting. I have just started going live sessions. I was setting up a benchmark of okay, let's make minimum at least this much of dollars. So that's the way I can just encourage more people to do that. But please, if you are new to that, uh, how do I help others? I am more of like motivational speaker instead of a trader. There are a lot of people following in my community, the people around me, and they are doing futures. When I started futures, I was just one of my friend was doing is and he was doing good, but I was in loss because what we need to do is we need to just make a strategy and a discipline. So if we are not following the discipline, futures is not for you. If you have made a discipline and you have a acceptance of loss, okay, that's the loss I can afford, and that's the profit I just want to make every day. Just set those two things and just you can just make profit every day most of the time. Not every day, but most of the time. So I mentioned this thing also, like every day is not a trading day. So it's not always like you make profit every day, or you can double your amount in just a single day or a trade. It will take a lot of time, so it will test your patience. Sometimes you just need to you wait and wait for the right time to get into the position. So yeah, that's the part of it. That's the beauty of it. But you will learn when you will be into that. But I must say the smart people are those people who just learn from other people's mistakes. So I was not that smart before and still not smart. Can you set yes, these two things are there. You can set a TP and stop loss in crypto futures. But my strategy, let me tell you my strategy. My strategy is I mostly open the position up to maximum 1% of my capital. My capital is now very big capital, so mostly I open the position with 1% of my capital and just let it go. I don't set my stop losses because most of the time my stop losses it's the waste of time. What I feel is, and I keep another 1% to do DCA if the price goes wrong. If you have a better understanding of like DCA. So that supports the price to come down or come up, whatever the trade is. Like if you're opening the short position, so that helps you to increase your price. So that's the way you can achieve it quickly, but it increases your position size as well. So that's my capacity, that's my appetite. I can lose 2% of my capital, which happens like in the last year almost like 4 or 5 times, not more than that. um, because I don't keep my trades for a long period of time, and I increase now because my capital is now grown up very big amount. So I just try to keep just increase 1% of my capital every day, which is like okay, which is achievable. It's not that I have seen like people showing like 1,000% in a trade. Okay, that's in a trade, not in your capital. So don't fall for that. People are showing it, and just stay away from these kind of things. They are just trying to fascinate like people, and just people are losing money. But actually, I also did that. So this is not a good thing. I don't want people to lose money, not even a single one, losing even a single dollar. I don't want anyone. If you are new, you just learn first. You can do on that demo trades. There, every platform is just giving you an opportunity. You can use demo trading, and yeah, that's the way you can just make profit. And when you learn the market, you understand the market, you understand support, resistance, indicators, RSI. There are multiple things, multiple factors. When you understand that, then you can just start. You can add your money and start doing with the money which you can afford to lose. That's what I always mention. So yeah, that's it. I think that's enough. And if you need my help, I'm here for you. You can just send me a message. I would love to respond to you. If you need any help for in registering your account, in like helping you to understand where to put your money, how to do the trades, so I am here. And I make short videos on TikTok and YouTube as well, so you can just check them as well. I hope you don't. What's the minimum to invest to start? Minimum is depend upon you, like the money. If you are new, I strongly not recommend that to put your real money in your account. You can use demo account. One other thing you can do is if you register on this exchange, I'm using it. There's a referral link of this exchange in my bio. Upon registration, you will be given a 50 free dollars bonus as well. So you can use that bonus instead of putting your real money. So don't put your real money to start it. Just learn first and enjoy that free bonus as well. So if you are new, just learn first, then you just add your money. You can start with $10, you can start with $1, whatever the amount you want to add. That totally depends upon you. And please add that money if you learn. Please add that money. You can afford to lose. Don't like uh, come that over to you like, oh, you are losing big amount or something like that. So that's what I tell people. I suggest people to, yeah. If you need any help, I'm here. No, no, I'm not helping to run anyone's account. Don't give money to anyone, not even your like friends, your family. Do it by yourself. I can guide you how do you do that. I'm starting to give few signals from next week, from Monday. You can follow my WhatsApp channel as well. There is a link in bio. You can click on that. That's a free. Don't give money to anyone. Don't even me, not even anyone. Don't even somebody contacts you like I'm contacted with the reference of that person. Don't do that. Do it by yourself. It's very easy. You can do that. Thank you so much. Do it by yours. You do it by yourself. It's very easy. It's very easy, and it's a funny thing actually. It's a fun thing. You can if you learn it, then you can just make good profit. I made it. Even if I made if I can made it, make it. Anybody can make it. So yeah. Thank you so much for following as well. It's a great honor for me. And this one, this candle is just giving me a good profit maybe. Uh, Let me show you my profit first, then I will tell you more. Okay, so my TP is just about to hit. I hope this will hit my TP, and my TP is $51 and it's on $50 and my TP is just yes. I have just made a $50 in this trade. Okay, thanks God. These things are these are the part of these are the funny thing actually. I enjoy these. Sometimes some positions get wrong. One position is stuck. You see $100 negative. I will do DCA to get that price as well. Okay, so I'm based in Bangkok, Thailand. But basically I'm from Pakistan, but I'm here from last 4 years now. Whenever I market down. Yeah, it happened. It happens. Yeah, most of the time. Brother, Rajiv, brother, actually, I suggest you like, walaikum assalam. Thank you. Uh, what I suggest is actually this happens. This totally depends upon your patience. Actually, it tests your patience. You see, I just opened the position in this candle, and it went down to like -$30, and I was just talking with you guys and just see these two candles just gave me a good profit. So if I would not close that one, I could have make like 70, $80 now. But okay, set your target and just take it away from the market. So just made a $50. Okay, you have just witnessed this one live. So yeah. Thank you, Bakar, for joining. For following me. Thank you. Just followed you. Okay, thank you. So we are lucky for you. Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much for being online. You are lucky. You are lucky for me. Thank you. I wish I would be able to be lucky for you guys. Yeah, so just learn it first. I strongly recommend that. Don't put money just in start. If you are new, just learn it first. Then yes, sure. Just create your account on any exchange, not on you, not even the further this one. But if you use my referral, you will be given a free $50 bonus. The exchange just offered me this opportunity to give my followers that. So you can register and get $50 free bonus. So that's if you don't want to risk your money, you can just check that bonus. That's I think valid for 1 day. So yeah. Uh, sure, sure, sure. You can send me message. But for registration, I think I cannot send you in message that link there. I think there are restrictions in TikTok, so you can just click on my bio and register and follow me my WhatsApp channel over there. So I have just started building the community. So there are like very few people in that community for now. So uh, actually, I have not done forex. So I started trading gold. Gold is very good, but if you understand the movement, actually, gold was like very volatile, like from last few months. So I just lost only $500 and just stepped away from gold. I have done forex. What was that? What do you call that? I forget that thing actually. Binary option, which was actually I just came to know later on that it's illegal, which should not be done. So I just left it. I am not doing crypto. I'm just doing crypto, not forex. Crypto is slow, slow moving pace, but yeah, it's a good thing. And in Forex, you can make like money in just like few seconds and few minutes, and on the other hand, you can lose it on the same way as well. So maybe I will start doing trading gold in like near future, and I will like I'm just working on it. I have a demo account and just practicing on that, and it's going good so far, so good. And just trying to figure out the market movements and just figure out few and just trying to figure out overcome on few more things. Maybe I will start doing that in near future. So gold is good, yeah. Gold, silver, or forex is also good. It's the same thing. Gold, silver, forex, or stocks. But in crypto futures, futures is I think it's most like interesting thing. So that's what I'm doing, and yeah, I am making good profit. If I can make it, anybody can make it. Uh, yeah, yeah. There's a link. You can just click on that. Okay, so yeah, see this candle. Yeah, yeah, that's the link actually. You can register on this exchange. That's the Alpeng exchange, which is this is the exchange I'm using. So why I'm using it, let me tell you. It's connected with the trading view, so it gives you a good control on your chart as well. So that's why I'm using it. So yeah, okay, and see this next candle actually it's just falling down. If you guys can see, yeah. See, this is the next candle just falling down, and that's a 5 minute time frame. Let's show. What we can do is we can open a long position again from here, uh, but let's wait for the right time. And H1 is also coming down, maybe. Okay, and what's going on? Okay, I think I have not grabbed this one, which is gone. Oh, it's gone. I just tried to put my limit order at this price, but it just missed with just 1 point. Okay, that's a, that's a funny thing. No problem. If we follow the RSI, you can open the short position from here. What should I do? What should I do? And let's see the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is risky because the coin is already hovering around to the lowest price, which scares me sometimes. What we need to do is that's a 1 day time frame. That's the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we can. 15 minute is on the higher side. Okay, if I follow the RSI, I think I can open the short position from here. RSI is in favor. RSI is in favor. Let's keep it on the 5 minute time frame. Should we take a chance? Not from here. Even if 15 minute is in favor, 1 hour is also in favor. In favor, yes, it's in favor. I just want to make 1%. Can I get a chance? Let's cancel this order for now. Okay, 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 okay. 456. Okay, guys, you guys can follow me on my YouTube channel as well. I just need few followers. And I have an X account as well, so it's already on my it's linked with my YouTube as well. So you guys can follow me on X. So there I'm just sharing few updates of the market every day. Yes. Okay, okay, okay. Mm, content. And I'm just sending. Why it's not allowing? What's the error you're facing? Just let me know. Like you have to just put your email or password. Uh, Password is not necessary like for the same of your email. You can put a new password, or you can register it by using your mobile number as well. So where are you from, and why you're getting the message of not allowing? Okay, so what do you think? Should I open the short? Uh, I definitely would love to open the short position. I don't know. I'm just a little bit confused here. We can take the risk, but let's take the risk with the less amount. So just let me know what kind of error you're facing, so maybe I will help you in that. Mm, just moving up, moving up. I just missed this opportunity. Why did I do that? Okay. Uh, Thank you, Kasim brother, for following me. Thank you. Okay, what should I do? If I open the short position from here, that's the way I am fighting against the trend, which actually will be a little bit risky. What I have done in my previous trade, it's still stuck. But it's coming to my like on the positive side as well right now. Um, okay. What do you think? It's going up, I think. Market momentum is just moving to I don't know. I think that's the 15-minute time frame. No, I think no, not right now, not the right time. That's what I think. Okay. Yes. Yeah. I'm not going to open the short position. Yeah, you're right. It's risky to take the short from here. Actually, I just placed an order, but it just here was my order actually. Let me move this one. My order was here to open the long position, but I just missed with just 1 point. So, so I just missed it. Okay, well, it's a part of it, no problem. So you're also trading futures, crypto? What do you do? Oh, wow. My H trade is also closed. So guys, you guys can see I have made another $112 in this trade. So that's my okay. Let me show you the moment. This coin was that. So it's my live account. You guys can see. Oh, see, this is the fall. So it just fall down from here. I took the position from somewhere around 201. Yeah, where the line is drawn. See the fall? See the fall? I was expecting it was already on oversold, and now the RSI is 4. Like it happens once in a in a like in a week or month. Oh wow. See the fall. See the fall. That was the fall I was just in need of. So technically I have made okay, $163. 63, yeah. Okay, it's a good gain today. But less than yesterday. I just want to make another same amount. Okay, see the movement. It went to 195. Wow. So thank God I have made $160 today. in the live session. That's what I was just waiting for. And this position is stuck. No problem. I will close that on the 2% of my capital. Okay. And on the other hand, ARKM. Oh, see, that's the fall. Mm, thank you, Kasim brother, for likes, for giving me so much love. So I'm just being lucky since the day I have started uh, more than like 1.5 month now. Um, let me show you the history. Okay, so just one trade went wrong, and these all of the trades I have made good profits. Not good, but very good. Better than like this was just minus 40 $48, and more on all of them just went very well. This is the last 30 days, okay, time frame. So previously I was just doing on the demo accounts. So this is what I have just started from on the live from 13th January. Why is it showing 13th? It's not, oh, sorry. Showing 20 there, 20. Where was the option? Okay. Okay, these are the 20 orders just it's showing me. Okay. Yes, currently I'm doing just only crypto. And I started doing the trading gold, but uh, Soul, I just missed the right opportunity actually too. But mainly, I'm just doing meme coins. I am not doing because the big coins are just moving very, very small moves, so they're not giving us good opportunity to make some profit. I just missed it. When my but well, let me tell you, when I started crypto futures, my first trade was Soul. So I opened the short position from, I don't know, I don't remember exactly right now, and I just made $1, and I was very happy. Okay, that was easy actually to making the profit in crypto futures. So yeah, Soul was my first trade of crypto futures, like 3 years back now. But majorly, I'm doing just crypto futures, not doing anything else. I started doing gold like 2 weeks back. More, I think from now. After losing just $500, I stepped away from that because gold is just going crazy. We are just very scared of that. It was totally like it's showing a big volatility, which was not like which not happened like in the histories of the mankind, I must say. But well, it's a part of trading and the market. So you're also like doing trading crypto or you are doing anything else? Thank you, Raju brother, for sending me roses as well. Actually, TikTok is also new for me. I was not using it very much, but I have seen like, okay, there's a big audience. The people want to learn, people want to understand the market. So that's why I just started doing that. Okay, so this is not the right time to take the position in this one. So my both of my positions went well today. Let me tell you the percentage of the gain on margin. One is 58% gain and the other one is 50%, almost 50%, 49.18. So yes, it's a good thing. But both of the trades, both of the profit are still not 1% of my capital. Okay, so what I need is I just want to increase 1% of my capital every day, in every day when I trade, actually, not every day, when I trade. So slowly, gradually increase your compound your capital, and yeah, that's the way I'm doing it. And spend less time instead of like spending all of your day on trading crypto. Well, it's like it's a crazy thing. Uh, Mm, there are like two, three major factors. Majorly, I'm using to see RSI because I'm doing the short-term scalping. I try to close my trades every day. I just don't want to trade like for intraday trades or swing trades. Mostly, I see the pattern. If the pattern is moving up, what we need to decide is okay, that's the momentum is bullish or bearish. We can open or short or long position, following by the momentum and following by the RSI. But there are a few indicators like if you see SMC, this indicator, this is also a good indicator, but indicators are not always 100% right most of the time. So you just don't need to rely on that. And majorly, I just follow the RSI and just grab the position, following by the momentum. If the market is moving up and RSI just came to some mark and making the lower high, higher low, let's say in the bullish momentum, higher low, then I can just open the long position. I placed this order. I just missed it with just 1 point. I could have open the long position from here. Well, it's okay. So on opening the short positions, if you get the lower high, then yeah. Um, I frankly, let me tell you, I have just made $160 today. Not even the 1% of my capital. It's just like 0.8%, 0.7% of my capital. So you can just calculate. And I started it with just $100 1 year back, increasing my capital. Initially, I was making like 10% every day. I started with 10% every day and compounded that capital. Now just imagine how much I have. I withdraws. And previous 2 years from that, the day I have just gaining the profit, uh, I was in a big loss. Now I have recovered all of my losses. I have withdrawn all of my capital, which were my losses. Now, yeah, 160 is not every day. I also always mention that every day is not a trading day, but I make more than 160. Yeah, you can just double it for now, which is like 1% of my capital. Just trying to increase my capital by compounding, and just withdraw small amount of money every day, whatever I need. So, and just diversified my portfolio as well. So just put few money in this one and some in some other exchanges as well. So yeah. So yesterday, let me show you. Okay, let me show you. Yesterday I have made like 60. Let me calculate. 90, 90 plus 40, 30 plus 30, 160. 160, 210, $20. So yesterday I made $210, $220, $220. So that's still not 1%, but okay, I'm just trying to gain that amount. uh, and increasing my capital, actually my basic focus is, and my appetite of losing is as well. So if anything goes wrong, even my one of my trade is stuck. I'm not hiding anything. One of my trade is stuck, which is like minus 300, somewhere around there. It's hovering around to that. It's being like it's about to being like more than like 1 week now. Not more than 1 week, but like maybe 5, 6, 7 days. It's still in negative, and my appetite of losing my that trade is minus 2% of my capital. So that's my strategy of making and losing money. So which is risk to reward ratio is 2:1. So yeah, that's it. And I have let me mention to you this one as well. I think I have closed 5 to 6 trades. I don't exactly remember that, which is like which went to minus 2% of my capital. So yeah, still thank God I'm just in profit and making good profit. So I had a benchmark. Okay, when I reached to that benchmark, then I will start doing the live sessions and telling people and encourage people, if I can do it, anybody can do it. So yes, that's it. That's a part of crypto futures. Yeah. That's the beauty of crypto futures. But only few percent of people are just in profit, and I think more than 90% people are in loss. When I was a part of the losing people in like 2 years, more than 2 years. So now gaining good profit. Okay, once $200, $300 every day is good. It's very good. It's very good. But you cannot make the same amount every day. Sometimes you need to, you, you cannot make any, even a single dollar. Sometimes you loses money as well. So if you're like 15 days in a month, or 10 days, I must say, in a profit, okay, that's good for you. And yeah, so that's my strategy. That's my philosophy of doing trading, and I think everybody can make that philosophy and make that discipline as well. Just keep following the discipline. I have learned this from first day of my crypto futures trading, and but at that time, I was not. Oh no, no, I can just double my profit every day. I can just increase my portfolio every day. I can just double it, and I did it. And on the same day, I was losing it as well. So that's the way. You just need to understand. So what's the strategy? So for scalping, for short-term trading, for ultra short-term trading, it's better you to just go not against the trend, just go towards the trend, take the trade, and just make set your profit as well. So that's the money you can make, and after that you just get yourself out from the market. Just don't stay in the market. Market is very like very pretty, and market will ask you to come again. So so be very careful, guys. It's a very pretty thing. Everybody can get attracted because we are because if I'm making money, so a lot of people just wanted to make money as well. So don't fall for that. Don't follow even my trades. Do your own research on that. But I'm just performing live trades every day, showing you guys how I do it. So yeah. Okay, 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 okay. This is my position that's stuck. Not even 1%, 2% of my capital. My appetite of losing this is 2%. So yeah. Okay. Yes, yes, that's right. That's right. Brother, I have learned this after 2 years of losing. I got to know about this from the first day. One of my friend is doing that, and he's in very good profit. Like, so he just told me, okay, brother, let me tell you one thing. If you don't follow your discipline, then you are out of this market. And I said, okay, I will do that. But we are being human, and this is our psyche. Okay, let's go this trade. Okay, we have made 20% profit. Okay, let's grab another opportunity. The candles are very beautiful. They will attract you again and again. So if you fall for that, you are falling out of this market as well. So if market gives you money, that it will take it back from you as well. So that's what I have learned, and after losing a lot and now making a lot, following the discipline, that's it. uh, I have told you like 3 4 times it happened, more than 5 times, like it happened with me. Like I have closed my trade on -2% of my portfolio, so -2% of my portfolio. So after just uh, accepting that loss, I close the trade, I close the exchange, and I just stay away from the market. I don't even open the server or like anything like that. See, that's the momentum. Momentum is just bullish. Now we don't have the opportunity to take this trade. Actually, let it go for now. Let's see. Oh, this one. I think I just missed this one as well from here. Okay, no problem. We can, if we are not making anything and not losing anything, still we are in safe zone. So H is just went back up to that price again. What do you think? Uh, okay. What I think is we can take the risk to open the. Let's see what does this indicator tells us. Okay, so this indicator is telling us we can. Okay, 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 okay. So guys, if you are new to my channel, you guys can click on the description in bio. So there's a link of my WhatsApp channel as well. I will just start sending few signals from Monday, hopefully, or and we'll start. Even I'm sharing my daily profits every day, and even my losing trades as well. So I don't want my community to, you know, okay. So if we see this indicator is showing the week high on the 5 minute time frame, which is like still there are, it shows like there are chances for this one to go up. We could have take the what we need to do is we can just grab, let's see the 1 minute time frame. I'm confused it for now, but the momentum you see, change of structure was a, that was a week low. Okay. Uh, mm, strong high on the 1 minute time frame is the indication that it's getting rejection on the lower time frame. But if we see the 5 minute time frame, it's a weak high, of course. So indicator is just also confused on the different time frames. On the 15 minute time frame, it's also like showing weak high. Um, I don't know. I don't know what should I do. We can take a risk at least. Again, uh, when where did it touch? Okay, 207. I think we should wait. Okay. It's not working. Why not working, brother? What's just happening? Like a lot of people are just joining me. Let me check. What kind of issue you're facing? Let me just let me know. Public channel, it's visible to anyone, but your phone number isn't. Status is like just seems like. Uh, okay, okay. Let me write it down. When you click the channel, what kind of error you're facing? Just let me know. So let me figure it out for you. I think. Uh, Let me check. Why can't you join my? Link. Uh, Let me check if I can send you in this chat, on this live chat. I think TikTok will not allow me to do that, but we can just give it a try. There was an option of comment. Uh, I have pinned this comment as well. You can just check. Okay, maybe some problem. I don't know what just happened. I have just started building community. There are just only 42 followers now on WhatsApp channel, so I don't know what's going on. I think 2 or 3 just followed today, in fact. Huh? Really? Hmm. I don't know. It's because maybe WhatsApp uh, link. Uh, uh, if you copy that link and just remove, that's very strange actually. Uh, I don't know what's wrong with that. Let me check. Let me check from my phone actually. Just stay with me, guys. Let me check from my updates. Community updates. Crypto. Share the link. Copy link. Share link. Uh, Let me write it down again in the comment section. Maybe it would be different from that. I think it's the same. Yeah, maybe you can try from web WhatsApp. Maybe it will work that way. But that's surprise actually. That means maybe that's the way more people are not unable to join that. But nobody just mentioned this one. Okay. So have you registered while clicking on the link on Exchange as well on this one? Or if you're getting error on that as well, just let me know, brother, please. That will be a great help for me to understand what's going on. Okay, okay. It's the same link actually. Maybe from the web browser, WhatsApp is uh, okay. What is it? That's surprising thing to hear about. That's why a lot of people there are not much people in my channel, my WhatsApp channel. Might be people just trying to get into that and unable to just register that. Follow my channel. Okay. Just let me know if you can try it with the web version of your WhatsApp. And if you are still not able to do that, then I will send you message in the private chat as well. 198. Okay, so the movement is now 120, 120. 42 followers only. Why is it? Link tree. I just updated my link tree as well, but I think it should not be an issue. I don't know what's wrong with that. Okay, here. Let's do that here. Mm. Okay, so uh, I think like for web app or it's the same thing. I have just got the link from web app and mobile app as well. It's the same link. I'm just kidding. I have just sent two messages, the same thing. I don't know what is happening. Let me check if I updated the link tree. What, it's the same link actually. I don't know. There are 63 clicks on that. Wow. But I just missed. I must say I'm missing all of them. Okay. So if you click on the Lbank exchange link, you're still getting any error or what is that? Yeah, it's not hyperlink actually. It's just the main link. I don't know what's just going on. Channel. Okay, so this coin is just falling down again. That's what I just missed already. We could have take the short. I was just talking about to opening the short position from here, but I just missed it. Okay, no problem. We will get it from somewhere again. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Which Astra is up. ARKM is down, down, down. That's what I need. Okay, so that's what I need. RSI is just 24. RSI is below 30. Okay, let's not take the risk for. Did you get it or not? I'm also worried about it now. I know that's why there are not big. Okay, so you used the web version of that, or what's the way you how you did how did you? Okay, okay. So my RSI setting is 5 for the short-term scalping. You see, that's I'm using uh, the value of 5 because I am performing the short-term scalping. So that's why I just set my RSI value to 5. And for opening the long position, I preferably use the RSI to be below 20. So from where I just prefer to take the long position. Mm, someone just write bad word, maybe. Thank you, Moses, for following. I invested you a link back and web like this. Oh, okay, okay, great. But I don't know why just it should like go to your WhatsApp directly. Maybe okay, let me figure it out today. I have seen like a lot of people just trying to click on that link. I have seen like 63 people have clicked on that on Linktree, but on WhatsApp and still not able to get that. Okay, 10 clicks on YouTube as well. Actually, I have just created like few days back. Maybe that was the reason. I will figure it out today for sure. Uh, uh, the- okay, yeah, followers are just increased. Yeah, okay, maybe. Okay, maybe. But from bio, when it leads you to Linktree, I think it should work very well. It should lead you to or your WhatsApp application. Well, might be there would be something. Piecing brother, you also figured it out or not yet? Chat WhatsApp.com? No, actually, it's I have just opened it like it's HTTPS colon slash whatsapp.com channel and that I don't know what is happening. Okay, finally you are in the group as well. Okay, so let's leave it for now. So okay, that's what I was just talking about. The momentum is bullish, but we can open the uh, long position, but RSI should be below 20 at least. It went to below 20, but we just missed it. Let's see if we can grab it, maybe. Thank you, brother, for joining my WhatsApp channel as well. Uh, so just let me know if you click on the link as well, LBank Exchange, if you get some error on that. So I should have to figure all these things today. If things are not working right, then what's the reason? Okay, so on this, uh, where should I put my? I can set my limit order on. Let's talk about the other one. Meanwhile, let's leave it for now. Mm, mm, okay. I will open the short position in this one again. And what I need is I need RSI to be above like 80. Did it went to that mark on the 5 minute time frame? No. Yeah, it went to that price. Like, yeah, here and here above 80 is okay, that's achievable, but maybe it will take a little bit more time. Uh, we can open the short. It's the lower high. Higher. Mm. Let's see, let's see. So 1 minute time frame. 1 minute time frame is not like giving us clear signal to. Okay. Uh, okay. Hmm. Uh, what should I do? What do you suggest for this one? What's this pair? This is HUSDT. This is the pair I'm trading right now. This is the pair I'm trading. So, uh, momentum is bullish, but we are just going to take the risk to open the short position. Uh, Following by the RSI seems in favor. Opening the short position from the market price using just $200 from here, and I am in the position, and let's see where does it takes me. Thank you, Hamza brother, for being online again. uh, Start doing trading as well. Just learn it first and just do it. Okay, so I'm in position right now again, and let's see what can we get from this one. Things may be in favor, but so where should I set my TP? My TP should be, let's not make the big profit. Let's just grab, oh, it's still good profit. If it goes to this price and if it falls to this price, then that would be very big profit. Let's put it there. Okay. And if the things went wrong, then my you guys know my strategy is to close that on -2% of my capital. So which would be somewhere around more than like $600. So let's see how much can we make in this trade. So we have already made $160. Yes, almost. Yeah. Just want to make 1% of my capital. Just made almost 0.5% of my capital today. Uh, just want to grab the other chance. On the other hand, what's going on with truth as well? Let's find out. Truth. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Uh, this one is also giving us the chance again, again, and again. That's the 5 minute time frame. Yes, momentum is shifting. Maybe we have just made $60 in this trade. Uh, yes, I will open the long position, but RSI should be, yeah, should be at uh thank you, Preet, for following me. Preet. Okay, what I'm getting? Okay. Uh, sorry guys. Uh, mm, okay. Uh, okay, let's finish this session today, right here. Uh, Session is just getting a little bit more long on the thank you, Datablast, for following me. It's an honor for me. You guys are just joining me. I'm just gaining a good community. Uh, Thank you so much for your love as well. It's an honor for me. We are just building a small community. Uh, there is a link in bio. Can click on that. You can join my WhatsApp channel as well. So guys, I'm $40 in this trade positive right now again. Just entered from here in this candle. Maybe I will get some, maybe it will take my, no, TP is just a little bit far, but actually, okay. I'm just moving my TP to, okay, let's make just $70 maybe. Okay, I will share the progress of this trade as well in the WhatsApp channel. So you guys will, if you guys are just following my WhatsApp channel as well, I will share the progress. Moreover, I will share its these results in tomorrow's live session as well as I did today of my previous day. So everything, if everything goes well, so yeah, that would be a great thing. We are just making small profits every day, and thank you, Ayaz brother, for joining the live session. Thank you, RS, following my channel as well. It's a great honor for me. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are in 33. Uh, to be safe, I can put my stop loss at my break even, but there, it's a very like thin margin for that. So what should I do? Let's wait. Okay. The momentum, if it gains the momentum same on the downside, there are chances because it's getting the clear rejection from top. So you see the big fall from this candle. You see these candles. It got the rejection from 0.207, which was like expecting to be. On the other hand, let's make actually, I just want to close the session right now. So I want you guys to witness this profit again. So we have just made two trades live, went well, and yeah, this is the other position which is in progress. Maybe we can just grab some and this one. Okay, 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 okay. So right now, uh, it's just moving. It's just moving. You most. No, no, no. Actually, most of the time I open the long positions, but totally depends. This coin is already on the higher side of its price. That's why I'm just taking the risk in this position. Mostly I open the long positions. So that's what I do. Even today I have open like, yeah, three positions. Two of them are short. One of them was long position. Um, so yeah. Today I have opened the short position, two positions. One, the previous position of this coin was also short position, and this one is also short because it's already hovering around to its higher price. So yeah, but that totally depends. Like mostly you can just choose the coin which is already on the lower side of its price, so you can open the long position and just be safe. That's the way you can be safe. That's one strategy I used to follow, and thankfully I'm still like that strategy is working well for me. So yeah. Okay. Uh, yeah, it's just getting a little bit up, but I just want you guys to witness this one. That's why I just want to keep this session continue till the end of this trade, maybe, if everything goes right. My TP is just there, you see, and just very near to that. It's very achievable. These kind of candles I need, like big downfalls. So if it falls down to that price, then I will be able to make $60 in this trade. And yeah, let's see. Okay, okay. Getting some of the rejection from here. Things are just these. Maybe this candle can give me my TP. I am $40 now. I can set my stop loss on my break even as well, but I just want to grab this one and just at this price right now. See the moment. Like it's very unclear moment. Maybe it will go up, maybe it will fall down. If I would have set my stop loss at my break even, that would have it now. So yeah, now these empty wicks are in the indication it's getting rejection from here. Just 1 minute time frame, but let's check the 5 minute time frame. It's also getting rejection. So these are the indication the price can go a little bit more up again, then will fall down. So yeah, it happens sometime. You need to wait for the long. You see, that's what I'm just talking about. But on the other hand, if it fills these orders from here, then it will fall down. Sure, it will, but just getting some support from this price, from this moment. Let's see, it's on $13, $10, 60 is GP, $10, 9, 8, 9. Okay, well, that's a fun thing. Maybe we can just get something this trade. Okay, just uh, yeah, here. and and it's going it's going on the wrong side. Okay, no worries. Here it was $40, but I would just want to make just this, and that's very achievable. See, actually, I just want to close the session. That's why I just want to close the session and stay away. Mm, okay, okay, okay. There are chances this is the mark. It can go a little bit more up, then for sure if it gets the rejection from this resistance line, which I have drawn previously. Yeah, it's still like it's on the same price. There is a rejection again. So if it gets resistance from here, maybe it will fall down. Let's see. You see, it's very, very achievable. Maybe it's very, very far. It's not very far from here, but if okay, if it goes negative, I will close the session and will share my the results of this trade in my WhatsApp channel. So yeah, actually, I have to go, uh, but I just want you guys to see if we can just make another $60, not more, not $6,000, just like people are showing. So if you get one trade and if it goes right, maybe this is this is my mark. Just just fall down a little bit more. Just fall down, just get more rejection. 38, 37. Again at now it's getting rejection support from here. No, no, it's 1 minute time frame. Just for fun. For the 5 minute time frame, if you see, that's the 5 minutes time frame. And yeah, yeah, yeah. Sure, it will. Sure, it will. At least to my TP, then maybe. Actually, brother, it's fun to see the 1 minute time frame. I really love to see 1 minute time frame. It feels like it keeps you active. The 5 minute and the more longer time frames are just boring. So yeah, yeah, that's right. Okay, okay. So what do you trade, Kasim brother? What do you trade? Like you're also trading crypto or oh 38. Oh, okay, okay. So used to do means you have just left it. Why? You're getting losses or some other reason? 4750 is here, just falling down. Yeah, technical analysis, of course, it's a yeah, Forex in Forex Gold, it gives you very good, like, I have been using TradingView like from few years. So you can do very good technical analysis on Forex, and I mean, TradingView has a good control command of that. Yeah, this is okay, brother. I have just got $60. Okay. So my TP is hit. Let me show you that's okay, $62. Okay. So today I have made $220 again. Yes, just like yesterday. Thank you so much. Thank you, brother. So I think we should close today's session. Uh, that's enough for today. And it's a great, it was a great session. It's really nice to talk with you guys. And thank you for being a part of live session. It's a great honor for me. We'll come tomorrow again. Thank you so much for your likes. Thank you, cousin brother. Thank you, PB07, for being interactive as well. So it's really like feel like yeah. Thank you so much. Uh, it really feels like we're just having conversation. So so time spends it in the very well way. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, hopefully. Thank you. Have a great day. See you guys. Okay. Bye bye. Allah Hafiz.